Guys, it's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make this buffalo check Merry Christmas sign. So first you're going to need one of the Dollar Tree signs. They come in a variety. I think there's a snowman, a Santa, and an elf, and I chose the elf. It's great MDF wood, and so great for a project like this. You want to go in and you want to remove the hanger and the staples and the little brim to his hat. I went in with some wood filler and patched the holes from where the staple marks were. I have used this brand before, and what I like most about it is it goes on pink and it dries white, so it lets you, it's like a timing indicator, so you don't have to guess when it's ready. Sanded the wood very lightly, and I used a damp paper towel to go in and get the dust off. And then I went in with some Americana True Red paint. I went in and applied 2 coats of paint because I wanted a true red. Let me just say welcome to all of the new subscribers. Thank you so much for joining the Living Life with Lawn family. And if you are new here, then I hope if you like what you see, you would consider subscribing to my channel. Went in and measured everything out, and I did not have any painter's tape. It was a little tedious to do. And then I went and I did like every other one and wrote the letter B, so I knew to paint that one black. But later you will see that I did not stick to my process. I chose this design because it appeared to be a very popular one again this year. I wanted to try it. Next I went in with some black chalk paint, and here's where I realized I messed up. I would imagine it would be a lot easier to use some painter's tape, but again, I didn't have any on hand, so I just hand painted each square. It's very, very tedious. However, this is what it came out to be, and looking at it, it looked really, really choppy. I didn't like the way it looked, so I grabbed my paint pen in efforts to try and straighten the lines a little bit. Did a couple of them, and I looked at it and I said, hey, that doesn't look so bad. So I went around each edge and perfected the line. Please like this video or comment below if that is something that you would like to see. And this is what it looked like after I finished doing my paint pen. I went in with some Dollar Tree contact paper, and I used my Silhouette Cameo to type out Merry Christmas in the font Magnolia Sky. I just kind of eyeballed a spot where I wanted it to be and stuck it down, and it pulled up. This was actually my first time using the contact paper from the Dollar Tree, and I really liked it. I mean, it was very easy to remove. It did not pull off any paint, as you guys can see here. So yeah, it was only $1 for the roll, so I will definitely use this again. And if you are a crafter, I would recommend using this from the Dollar Tree. If you do not have a Silhouette or a Cricut, the Dollar Tree does have adhesive letters, and so that can be an option. If you have a really nice handwriting, that's another option. Here's the sign with the Merry Christmas on. I love the way the white popped off of that black and white buffalo check. I'm sorry, black and red buffalo check. went in with a burlap bow. I got this ribbon at the Dollar Tree as well. It is wired, so it makes it a lot easier when making the bows. I used a piece of jute string to tie off the middle. Let me share with you guys that I'm almost to 300 subscribers, and I would love to reach that goal before 2021. So let's see if we can do it. On the back, I used a piece of jute string, and I put that attach that to the board using my hot glue gun. Now, if you were going to give this to someone, I would definitely recommend getting some of the brown wrapping package paper from the Dollar Tree and sealing off the back with that. Attaching the bow to the jute string. And once I looked at the bow, I realized it needed some tails, so I cut a small piece of ribbon and dovetailed the ends. So guys, here is the finished product. I love it, and I hope you guys like it too. I'll talk to you in the next one. Bye.